Before I start this video, I hope you guys are staying clean, staying safe. Make sure you guys wash your hands every time you could. If you guys have one of these masks, make sure you guys wear them. And if you have Germ-X, make sure you use it. This virus is getting serious, and I hope you guys all stay safe. What is up, everybody? It is your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we are gonna go look at a new car, and it's not for me, it's for my boy Amikel. If you haven't seen the recent videos, my boy's Lexus LS400 was totaled out. Yep, somebody with a Tahoe or GMC totaled out the whole front end, and today was the day that they cashed him out. So he has the money, we seen the car, and today we're gonna go pick it up. Hopefully, if it's clean, everything runs good, everything's fine. 94% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? You right there. You watching. Subscribe. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Okay, I'm not waiting any longer. Subscribe, like this video if you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned, watch the whole video if you guys want to see what car it is. The only thing I'm telling you guys is this car in particular is rare to find. That's the only hint. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. The car is right across the street. We're gonna check it out. I'm not gonna record the guy, obviously, and I'm not gonna record the deal because I don't want to invade this guy's privacy. I'm gonna let the deal go by, and if we get the car, you'll see it. If not, we'll let you know. Sound pretty now. That boy purchased a 2003 IS300. But you're probably asking, what's so rare about this car? Boom. IS300, 5-speed manual for a good deal, boys.
We can help you. Please click the car riding policy as soon as possible by getting a shortcut sent directly to you on the Google Plan. You won't have to wait to receive it right there.
That means,
hey man, IS300.
that boy got the new shit.
I missed my LS, but I got the opportunity to upgrade, guys. So I took the chance and got me an IS300, 2003 factory 5-speed.
This is why this car is rare. If y'all was wondering why I said rare at the start, this right here. A 5-speed IS300 Lexus. Got a nice little Dominator. I can't show you guys too much. We might be doing a little review on this car, so I'm not gonna show you guys everything. We're just gonna show a little cruising. All the windows work, AC work, everything. This shit's not broken, right? No. See, look at that. Y'all feel that?
Yeah.
That's the feeling of that cold AC in Florida. Y'all feel that? I don't know if y'all feel that. Cruising, boys. Oh man, don't tell me it's about to rain. Shit. Look, your twin. Oh shit, he hopped in his next one. That shit got an exhaust. Filling her up with that good. 92.
That's what I said.
Robin, it's supposed to be 93. What the? Oh, you're giving her the full treatment. Full treatment special. You bugging. Take a little break, a little drink. Forgot to tell you guys, man, make sure you guys stay safe during this coronavirus mayhem. You're on the highway, cruising and bruising on the way home.
Make sure my GPS is good. Oh no, oh, we're good, guys.
Oh, we got a little roadway.
Yes, I have a 5S.
Dun, 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 dun. Battle. Just kidding, guys.
To merge onto I-4 East toward Orlando.
I-4, Orlando, coming. She riding out.
140, boys.
By the way, guys, we are in Mexico, and that is the speed limit for Mexico, so it's in kmh, not miles per hour. Just letting you know.
That good old radio. That stock ad. Hey, but I need these keys on. Hey, leave them keys on, boy.
There we are, boys. This is our exit.
Man, we made it.
Haines City to Claremont. You made it.
I want to hear my car now.
Talking about we made it.
We're stuck right where I fucking crashed at.
She still sounds nice and healthy. Sound like she purring. Alright guys, we're about to pass the memorial of the old Lexus my boy once owned.
Yeah, man.
From a 92 LS
I used to have a 92
03.
LS 400. It ran really good. I used to drive on this road every single day. What happened is I was going on this road and some people were in the shopping center right up here and they pulled out and I whacked them going like 55.
So people was leaving this place right here,
Yeah.
pulled out, whacked him right here.
You can see
Let me see. You be seeing
it.
it?
Skid right there.
Oh, the skid marks. Off-road. Rest in peace to the LS. Hey man, at least if something happened, you was right next to the hospital. Okay. My bad, homie, got the A3. Zooming past me. Boys, if you guys watch my videos, you guys should know this road. It's a little back road cruiser. Oh God. Bitch about to clap your shit out in the roll up.
No insurance happening.
Yeah, she's quiet, but she need a little bit more tone, and you gonna have fun with this shit. You could too.
I could. Hello, hit me up.
Hanoi Mecánico Chapo. God damn it, fucking Kia. Oh God. You made it. Oh damn, don't tell me they're back there.
I can't feel my leg.
Here. Oh God, that shit's heavy, I ain't gonna cap. It's like you got the fucking ultimate daily. The IS300. 5-speed IS is now officially new to the family.
Not like lifting.
Just like that, boys, we're home. We got the car. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new and you're not subscribed, subscribe now. What are you waiting for?
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's